Let's start by attaching the lower cabinet plate to the bed cabinet. Left side is shown here. The same installation steps apply for the right side balancing arm. You may use painting tape to protect the cabinet surface, and also make it easier to see the pencil marks. Installing the lower cabinet plates on any easy EDIYMB bed is easy. Just measure and mark 7.5 inches from the bottom of the cabinet as shown here. Now place the lower cabinet plate on the cabinet, making sure the top of the plate is aligned with a pencil line. Also make sure that the front of the plate is flush with the front of the cabinet as shown here. Use a pencil to mark the 2 holes on the plate on the bed cabinet. For this next step, we recommend you place a piece of hard material less than 1/8 of an inch thick, such as wood paneling, or aluminum, and insert it into the gap between the bed cabinet and bed frame as shown here. This will prevent the drill from accidentally drilling into the bed frame on the other side when you are drilling into the bed cabinet. You can also use a drill bit stopper if you have one handy. Grab your drill and drill through the bed cabinet, where you place the 2 pencil marks. For this next step, ask your helper to hold the bed open at about 45 degrees or approximately halfway. This will allow you to easily get access to the inside of the cabinet to install the lower cabinet plates. Grab the 2 cap nuts and the 2 machine screws in the white hardware box that came with your desk hardware kit. Insert the cap nuts into the 2 1/4-inch holes. Place the lower cabinet plate on the inside of the bed cabinet, as shown here, and then use the 2 machine screws to secure the plate to the bed cabinet. Make sure the plate is properly secured to the bed and does not move. The left side balancing arm is now installed. Use the same procedure to install the right side balancing arm on the right side of the bed cabinet.